Welcome to another episode of SG Crypto. In this one, we're just going to cover the Cooties NFT. This is going to be a quicker video. I know I say that almost every video, but I always try to keep it under 10 minutes. But basically, yeah. So the Coot team has pledged 5 million Coot for FLRFarm LP staking rewards that will be available soon. There's no exact release date. We just saw the lockup pools launch, which I did a how-to on that yesterday, as you guys probably saw. And yeah, so basically, you could comment on this if you want to get some free SGB, but I just want to do a quick overview of Cooties. So basically, they're going to be on the FLRFarm Launchpad, the first applicant to be on the FLRFarm Launchpad because they are going to be partnering now. So it is official. Here's the Cooties Twitter page. I'll leave all links in the description. Basically, so what you can do is you can stake your NFTs. They said stake to earn NFTs, but what you're doing is you're staking the NFT that you can mint from them, the Cooties NFT, and you can earn Coot daily by staking that NFT. So, and it's already trading. The token is then trading already on SwiftCoin, and you can, after you earn it daily from staking your NFT you mint from them, you can get it. So, a quick overview of what they're doing. So laying the groundwork, they've already done the team formation, Cootie design, done all this, the whitelist pre-sale, 500 whitelist spots done, public sale. So this is what we're currently on, is 4,444 NFTs to mint on each blockchain. And those blockchains are Avalanche, Binance, Smart Chain, Songbird, and Polygon. Those are going to be the 4 different blockchains they're minted on. Right now, I believe it is the Songbird, or at least they're just allowing it for all 4 at the same time. I went ahead and already minted one of them, and I'm going to be staking that soon. We'll get into that in a second, though. So this is happening right now. You can mint this right now on Songbird. With your Songbird, you can mint it. And then basically after this is over, they're going to develop their marketplace where you can then trade these back and forth between each other. Then they're going to add in fractionalization, the Cootie card, game development, metaverse, begin metaverse development, so you can use your Cooties in that. It's probably characters, I imagine. And then finally a merch drop. Not a crazy exciting project, not a ton of unique things, but it's a project, the first project built on Flare, as far as it being a part of the Launchpad. It's not the first project on Flare, of course, but it's the first one on their Launchpad and the first one that's implementing their token onto Flare. So it's kind of exciting. So what you can do if you are interested, you can just click that mint Cootie link in the description, of course. You just connect your wallet. I used MetaMask for this. I tried to do it through Bifrost, and I was having troubles. It was not working, so I'm just using my MetaMask. All you have to do is add the Songbird network to your MetaMask. It's pretty simple. Because once you try to connect to the site, it'll ask you to switch to Songbird, and then you can do it. And then you're already on the Songbird network, so there's no issues. And then basically there'll be a button here. Let me just show you. Let me just click that. Then it'll just connect, and then yeah, it'll say buy, or which means mint for 1,500. Basically 1,500 Songbird, which comes to about 60 bucks. A little under 60 bucks, pretty cheap. And yeah, I minted one. This is my Cootie, real cool, isn't it? Look at that guy. But yeah, so anyway, staking then will take place. So you just click this button here, the staking button, and you would then type in the token ID of your token. So you just click on this over here. You'd see your token ID right down here. Mine is 1840, but the problem, like see I put in 1840 stake. Down here it says 1840 is not added currently. And that is because if you look up here, the current max token ID support is 1832. So mine hasn't been added yet. They're adding these slowly but surely. And so in the next few days, definitely within the next week, I would think, is mine will be eligible to stake. So only 1 through 1832 are eligible. So that's, and you can actually stake 10 NFTs at a time. And so for common, which is mine, I believe mine's common. Let me look. Mine's common. So I would earn 1 Coot per day, and that Coot will then be able to be staked on songbird for more rewards. So that's what I'm doing. Plan to just kind of stack some coot in the meantime with this NFT, and you know, $60 is not a crazy amount. It's just kind of like a little test mint. So I went ahead, I went ahead and did it. Definitely not financial advice, but 1 coot per day, and then I can then stake that later once that's added to the Flare Launchpad as like an LP, because that's what it's going to appear as. So that's really it. I mean, if you guys want to read through this a little bit more and just kind of read about the Cooties NFT project, feel free to do so. Links in the description. Hope you all have entered the liquidity pool lockup periods that we talked about yesterday in yesterday's video. Just a chance to earn some rewards quickly, because I can already see the percentages are going down. The APY is going down because a lot of people are entering, and which means they're potentially leaving the other pools, the single asset pools, for this lockup pool. So that could be an opportunity to just kind of wait for people to leave those pools, so you can then just take all that for yourself. You know, obviously not all people are going to leave, but we're already seeing the APY go down on those pools. So that's going to be it for this video. And I hope you guys have an awesome day. Course is obviously live and free. Link in the description. And yeah, have a good one.